TV, big up to all of my fans, big up to everyone, big up to everybody. Us that are the True TV. Welcome to the show, people. Don't forget to subscribe to us that are the True TV, the YouTube channel, and click the bell. Each time I post a video on the feed, you understand? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You understand? Us that are the True TV, yeah, the YouTube that check it out. You may tell people. Welcome to the show. Alright. Maca Diamond. Nobody never know the Maca Diamond. I suck it. Understand? Yeah. People, you see what Maca Diamond do for a big woman, not set no example at all. You understand? She come on the social media and I shove a banana down in her throat. Oh my God. When Maca Diamond I shove the banana in her throat, and a man, I hold the banana and I chew it down in her throat. In there. That means a long time Maca Diamond and so then. You understand? Alright, Maca Diamond. You, for a big woman, you know, set the example for the kids then. You understand? If you, for a big old woman, I do something like that, what you expect? Look how young, look how young schoolers them on social media and I go watch a video there. And what them was saying, if Maca Diamond I shoot banana down in her throat and Maca Diamond a big old woman, me can do the same thing too. You understand? Listen man, Maca Diamond, you have to have some respect, you know, for the media. You understand? Yes. Cause it's right now, you can't tell nobody saying I suck with a juggle balls. You understand? Nobody you can't tell that. You understand? And me I call you a suck with girl. Cause guess what? Yeah. To you deal with the banana. It come like I name the banana. And come like I same way so you name the cocky.